In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to the next line in Zoho Cliq. Now, if you've ever found yourself writing messages in Zoho Cliq and wondering how you can neatly organize your thoughts without accidentally pressing send prematurely, you're in the right place. This simple yet critical skill will help you communicate more effectively with your team. Let's start with the basic premise of composing a message in Zoho Cliq. As you know, there's a text composer, which is essentially the box where you type your message. It's pretty straightforward. You type your thoughts, ideas, or anything you need to convey. However, there are instances where you might want to break your message into multiple lines, perhaps to organize a list, emphasize a point, or just keep your message easy to read. So, how do we do this without sending the message before you're ready? The solution is incredibly simple, yet it might not be obvious if you're new to the platform. What you need to do is use a specific keyboard shortcut, pressing Shift and Enter at the same time. This combination will allow you to move to the next line within your message. What this means is that your message will appear in separate lines, neatly organized, just the way you want it. On the other hand, simply pressing Enter without the Shift key will send your message right away. This is perfect for when you're done composing and ready for your recipient to see it. But if your message isn't quite finished and you press Enter prematurely, it will send, and you may have to quickly follow up with another message to complete your train of thought. So, here's a little tip. Get into the habit of pressing Shift and Enter consciously when you want to start a new paragraph or line. With this practice, you'll eventually find it second nature to format your messages efficiently without sending them earlier than intended. Let's recap to cement this learning. When you're inside Zoho Cliq's text composer and you want to create a new line within a single message, remember to use Shift plus Enter. This method keeps your message drafts intact until they're complete and you're absolutely satisfied with what you're about to deliver. Only then, when you press Enter on its own, should your message be sent off to your recipient's screen. Mastering this simple trick can make a significant difference, streamlining your communication and helping you convey your points clearly. By integrating these steps into your everyday use of Zoho Cliq, you can enhance your message clarity and professional communication effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy chatting in Zoho Cliq!